The Heartland Mobile Manager app is a tool offered by Heartland Payment System for managing payments, transactions, and other aspects of business operations on mobile devices. This app is designed to provide merchants with convenient access to their payment processing accounts and tools to manage their business while on the go. To be able to use the mobile manager, a configuration must do first. The configuration is done by the tech support. They have all the credentials. The push settings feature in the Heartland Mobile Manager app typically refers to the ability to configure notifications or alerts that are pushed to your mobile devices. This notification can inform you about important events or updates related to your payment processing account or business operation. Key stats refer to important metrics or performance indicators. They provide you valuable insights into your business financial health and performance. The Heartland Mobile Manager application provides various reports and key statistics to help merchants manage their business operations effectively. These reports and statistics are valuable tools for merchants to monitor their business performance, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to drive growth and success. The check features in Mobile Manager. This allows the merchant to check the transaction history with the date and the amount. You can also select a date range and export the file to CSV. From then, you can view the check history or the transaction history on your device. Lastly, select the day part. Select the start time of the day and end time of the day. For more information, you can visit our social media accounts or email us at info@klinkpos. Book your free consultation with us.